Hello friends, welcome to another video on this series where we are going to discuss more than 10,000 one-liners from the book Loose and General Knowledge. This is part 5 of this series. If you haven't watched part 4, you can click the I button here or you can check the link given in the description given below. We are continuing with Vedic culture. So let's start. Question number 238. In the later Vedic period, the Aryans now shifted from Saraswati to Dash. Answer is Ganges. Question number 239. In later Vedic period, there was mention of more rivers like answer is Narmada, Sadanira, Chambal. Question number 240. What is the modern name for the Rig Vedic river Sadanira? Answer is Gandak, which is a tributary of Ganga. Question number 241. Which Brahmana indicates the expansion of people towards the east? Answer is Satapatha Brahmana, which is the oldest and the largest Brahmana associated with Yajurveda. Question number 242. The story of the migration of Dash to the east, accompanied by his priest Gautama Rahugana, is mentioned in Satapatha Brahmana. Who is that person? Answer is Videga Madhava. Question number 243. There was emergence of Janapadas now. Kuru Janapada was a combination of Dash and Dash. Answer is Puru and Bharatas. Question number 244. Panchala Janapada was a combination of Dash and Dash. Answer is Durvasa and Krivi. Question number 245. Which mountain is mentioned as southern mountain in later Vedic period? Answer is Vindhya mountain. Question number 246. What were the territorial divisions given by the later Vedic period? Answer is Aryavarta, that is northern India, Madhya Desa, that is central India, Dakhinapatha, that is southern India. Question number 247. Which Brahmana we notice the theory of the divine of origin of kingship? Answer is Taittiriya Brahmana, which is associated with Yajurveda. Question number 248. New civil functionaries besides the only civil functionary of the early Rigveda, that is Purohita, came into existence. Which civil functionary was the collector of tax? Answer is Bhagaduta. Question number 249. Which civil functionary was the royal herald or charioteer? Answer is Suta or Sarathi. Question number 250. Which civil functionary was a chamberlain? That is person who is in charge of the household affairs of a king, queen, or a person of high social rank. Answer is Khastri. Question number 251. Which civil functionary was the account officer? Answer is Akshavapa. Question number 252. Who was entrusted with the duty of administering outlying areas occupied by the aboriginals? Answer is Sthapati. Question number 253. Who looked after the administration of 100 villages, or who is the lord of 100 villages? Answer is Satapati. Question number 254. Dash was the village official. Answer is Adhikrita. Question number 255. Who according to Upanishada was probably a police official? Answer is Ugra. Question number 256. In later Vedic times, popular assemblies lost importance and royal power increased at their cost. The dash completely disappeared. So what disappeared? Answer is Vidhata. Question number 257. Did the kings of later Vedic period possess a standing army? Answer is no. Question number 258. Were women allowed in Sabha in later Vedic period? Answer is no, but they were allowed in early Vedic period. Question number 259. In later Vedic period, king played a great role in administering criminal law. What were some of the serious crime of that time? Answer is killing of an embryo, homicide, the murder of a Brahmana, stealing of gold, and drinking sura. Question number 260. Which Veda is both in verses and prose? Answer is Yajurveda. Question number 261. The word Vaishya is derived from the word dash. Answer is Vis, that is people. Question number 262. The institution of dash, that is clan, appeared in the later Vedic period. No marriage could take place between persons belonging to the same dash or having the same ancestor. Answer is Gotra, that means clan. Question number 263. Was marriage with Shudras allowed? Answer is no, but higher caste could marry with lower caste. Marriage with Shudras were not allowed. Question number 264. What are the 4 ashramas, that is stages of life? Answer is Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. Question number 265. In which text can we find the earliest reference to 4 ashramas? Answer is Jabala Upanishad. 266. Ashrama system was formed to attain dash. Answer is 4 Purusharthas. And what are these 4 Purusharthas? Answer is Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Question number 268. Which 2 texts give evidence that status of women declined in later Vedic period? And the answer is Atriya Brahmana and Maitrayani Samhita. Question number 269. What is polygamy? Polygamy means a man having more than one wife. It was very frequent in later Vedic period. Question number 270. Which text indicate that some women had got higher education? Answer is Yajnavalkya Gargi dialogue, which is written in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, which is the oldest Upanishad. Question number 271. How many types of Hindu vivaha, that is marriage, were there in Vedic age? Answer is 8. Question number 272. Which vivaha means giving the girl to a man with dowry? Answer is Brahma vivaha. Question number 273. Which vivaha means giving the girl to the priest in lieu of his fees? Answer is Deva vivaha. Question number 274. Which vivaha means giving the girl to a man after accepting a bride price? Answer is Arsha vivaha. Question number 275. Which vivaha means giving the girl to a man without demanding a bride price? Answer is Prajapatya vivaha. Question number 276. Which vivaha means love marriage? Answer is Gandharva vivaha. Question number 277. Which vivaha means marriage with a purchased girl? Answer is Asura vivaha. Question number 278. Which vivaha means marriage with the daughter of a defeated king or a kidnapped girl? Answer is Rakshasa vivaha. Question number 279. Which vivaha means marriage to a girl after seducing or raping her? Answer is Peshacha vivaha. So these are the vivahas we just discussed: Brahma vivaha, Deva vivaha, Arsha vivaha, Prajapatya vivaha, Gandharva vivaha, Asura vivaha, Rakshasa vivaha, and Peshacha vivaha. Moving on to question number 280. Which vivaha means marriage between a bridegroom from an upper caste and a bride from a lower caste? Answer is Anuloma vivaha. Question number 281. Which vivaha means marriage between a bride from an upper caste and a bridegroom from a lower caste, which is opposite to Anuloma vivaha? And the answer is Pratiloma vivaha. Question number 282. How many samskaras are there? Answer is 16 samskaras. We don't have to remember all 16. Just the number is fine. Question number 283. Which gods rose into prominence in later Vedic period? Answer is Prajapati, Vishnu, and Rudra. In the later days, we identify them with Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Question number 284. Dash, who protected cattle in the early Vedic period, now became god of Shudras. And the correct answer is Pushana. Question number 285. In which text can we find the mention of 12 Ratninas, that is officials, in later Vedic period? And the correct answer is Satapatha Brahmana. Question number 286. Who were the 12 Ratninas? Answer is Purohita, Mahishi, Yuvraj, Sarathi, Senani, Gramani, Shata, Sanghahitri, Bhagaduta, Akshavapa, Palagala, and Govikarta. Question number 287. Who was the royal herald or the charioteer? Answer is Suta or Sarathi. Question number 288. What was the term used for the treasurer during Vedic period? Answer is Sangrahitri. Question number 289. Who was the friend of king? The term used was Palagala. Question number 219. Who was the head of the forest department? The term used was Govikarta. Question number 291. Mahishi is the term used for, and the answer is the queen. Question number 292. Yuvraja is the term used for, and the answer is crown prince. Question number 293. Who was the supreme commander of the army during Vedic period? And the answer is Senani. Question number 294. Who was the revenue collector or the collector of tax? Answer is Bhagaduta. Question number 295. What was the term used for the chamberlain, that is gateman, in the Vedic period? Answer is Shata. Question number 296. What was the term used for the account officer? Answer is Akshavapa. Question number 297. Which text is the first work to give the doctrine of transmigration, that is Punarjanma, and deeds, that is Karma? Answer is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Question number 299. Who performed Laghu Yajna? Answer is it was performed by householders. Question number 300. Who performed Mahayajna? And the answer is it was performed by aristocratic, wealthy man, and king. So what is the difference between Laghu Yajna and Mahayajna? The difference is Laghu Yajna was simple and a private sacrifice, and Mahayajna was grand and a royal sacrifice. Question 301. What are the different types of Laghu Yajna? And the answer is Panchamahayajna, Agnihotra, Darsha Yajna, and Purnamasa Yajna. Question number 302. What are the different types of Mahayajna? And the answer is Rajasuya Yajna, Vajapeya Yajna, Ashwamedha Yajna, and Agnisthoma Yajna. Question number 303. Which yajna was done on the last day of Amavasya? Answer is Darsha yajna. Question number 304. Which yajna was done on the Purnima? Answer is Purnamasa yajna. Question number 305. In which yajna horse is sacrificed? Answer is Ashwamedha yajna. This lasted for 3 days. Question number 306. Which yajna in later days was replaced by a simplified Abhisheka? Answer is Rajasuya yajna, which lasted over a year. Question number 307. Dash yajna lasted for a period of 17 days to full 1 year. Answer is Vajpaya yajna. Question number 308. In which yajna Somarasa was consumed? Answer is Agnisthoma yajna. In this, sacrifice of animal is dedicated to Agni. Question number 309. In which yajna the performer of yajna and his wife spent ascetic life for a year before yajna? Answer is Agnisthoma yajna. Question number 310. Was manure known in this period? Answer is yes. Question number 311. What were the metals known in the later Vedic period? Answer is tin, silver, iron, gold and ayas. Ayas was the term used for both copper and iron. Question number 312. Evidence was there regarding organization of merchants into guilds. Who were guilds? So the term used for guilds was Shreni. Guilds were the trade unions or the association of merchants or manufacturers. They also supplied raw materials to manufacturers. They also regulated the price. Question number 313. Painted grey ware culture prevailed during? Answer is 1100 BC to 600 BC. That is, we can say it prevailed during later Vedic period. Question number 314. The reaction against cults, rituals and priestly domination at the end of the Vedic period can be found in dash. Answer is Upanishad. So this is the end of lesson, guys. We have discussed more than 70 questions in this lesson, and the next lesson will be on Mahajanapadas. Thank you.